forgot to check the sign, but I believe this aircraft is a Republic P-47 Thunderbolt. Have you noticed the unique undercarriage and the colourway they've used? This particular paint scheme with black and white invasion stripes and the distinctive red nose suggests a D-Day era aircraft used for close air support and escort missions. The P-47 could carry bombs and rockets in addition to its 8.50 caliber machine guns, making it a devastating ground attack aircraft. It also served as an escort fighter for bombers, helping secure Allied air superiority later in the war.